improvised explosive device (IED) weighing 2 kg was found planted at the residential gate of a retired executive engineer of Public Works Department. The incident happened at Haubam Marag Irom Laikai of Imphal West around 10 am, police said. Repoll in 12 polling booths of 4 assembly segments of Imphal East recorded 36.09% voting till 11 am, officials said. No untoward incidents are reported in the repolling, which began at 7 am amidst tight security. The 4th edition of Northeast Fiesta, an annual cultural event organized by Northeast Students Organization of Jalandhar, Punjab, was successfully concluded on April 21st last. The 2-day festive event focused on cultural diversity among Indian communities. Transformation of life of the people through better understanding was another motto of the organizers in the program. A medium-intensity earthquake of magnitude 6.1 hit Arunachal Pradesh early this morning. The epicenter of the quake was West Siang district. The quake occurred at 1:45 am at the depth of 10 kilometers. However, there are no reports of casualties. In a poll-related violence in Kokrajhar district, 3 persons were injured at Subhas Pali in Kokrajhar town yesterday evening at around 5. The Kokrajhar parliamentary constituency went to general elections in 3rd phase polls yesterday. Malawi has become the very first country to begin immunizing children against malaria, according to the World Health Organization. The impoverished nation in Southeastern Africa is using the first licensed vaccine to provide protection against the mosquito spread disease in a historic nationwide program.